When we're working with circles especially, we use this symbol pi a lot of the times. And it's very important to try not to work. We could work this out by timesing 3.14 by 9 and then 3.14 by 4 and adding everything up. But we try not to do that because when we do that, we're simplifying. And if we were multiplying this whole term by something else, so you sort of think about the pi symbol here as being an algebraic x. Okay, so if you had this expression as x times 3 plus x times 2 times 2. All right, see the difference here between an algebraic x, which has this curly sign, and the English multiply sign, which just is a normal straight x. So 3 times 3 is 9. So this expression would be 9 lots of x, and this expression would be 2 times 2 is 4, 4 lots of x. So 9 lots of x plus 4 lots of x would give us 13 lots of x. And we do the same thing even though there's a pi sign there. So here we'd simplify this one to be the same as 3 times 3 is 9, 9 lots of pi plus 4 lots of pi. Okay? So 9 pi's and 4 pi's, how many pi's would we end up? We'd end up with 13 pi's. Okay? And now you can manipulate that. You might have to find the square of it or the square root of it. It doesn't matter what you need it for. But keep it in pi as long as possible till the very last line of your equation. Then you put in 3.14. And it means that you don't have to approximate too early and get the wrong answer because you've rounded off to too few decimal places too early on. It also means that you don't have too many decimal places because you can also lose points by having too many decimal places, by keeping in too many decimals and rounding off too late. So I think it's very useful to try and keep things in terms of pi as long as possible. If we were to do this one then, well, 4 4s are 16, so this would be the same as 16 lots of pi, 3 3s are 9 plus 9 pi. 16 pi plus 9 pi is 25 pi. So this would be the answer there. Last one, 5 5s are 25, so here we have 25 lots of pi minus 3 3s are 9 pi. So 25 pi minus 9 pi is going to get us back to 16 pi. Okay, so your basic algebra skills from last year, and that's how you're supposed to simplify it.